Oh, hello. It's been so long since I've seen you.
Ever since you met Buster and Stella.
Well,
So, let's continue on with the story. How do I start this next part?
Oh yeah. Alright. So we go back to our good old friend
Buffy the loving cat, the Buffoon cat, and his mother Lulu. So this all started just a few days after the new prince was born. While Jackie 2 and his class were walking outside, Buster and Stella were visiting Lampo and his mother.
Walking already. Wait, what now?
Good morning. Good morning, Mrs.
And
And where's the young princess? Oh! Good morning, Bambi. Good morning, young prince.
oh, good morning, little chicks. Nice to meet you in the forest.
Goodbye. Good morning, young prince. Good morning, young prince.
Good morning, lion cubs. It's a nice morning right here in the forest.
Good morning. Nice sunny day.
Oh, well, at least he's not hurt. Mostly. First day of walking the forest. Man, that's weird.
I know, right, Joseph?
That's a waste of time.
What? Cody, you having a seizure?
No, guys.
I'm just enjoying the forest.
What? Why?
Because the forest is full of nature, and besides, it's full of good animals.
Oh, shut up, man!
Yeah, shut up, Cody. What are we even supposed to do?
Where's Buster and Stella? I think they might be right over there. Oh, hello, Junior. Nice to meet you in the forest. Oh, it's nice to meet you too, Mr. Buster. It's real great to see you. Nice to see you too, Cody and Joseph. Oh, nice to see you, Stella.
Stupid fry! Alright, anyway,
Buster and Stella.
class, I am Jackie Chu,
And I'm their
and I'll be your
teacher.
teacher.
Oh, so I guess you're the teacher of Bowser Jr., Joseph, and Cody, right? Yeah, yes I am. And I'm walking you students here to show what the animals look like in the forest. Oh, right. That's what we fought for ourselves.
What's the matter? Did the young prince fall down? Is he hurt?
No, he's all right.
He doesn't walk very good, does he?
Thumper,
Yes, Mama.
what did your father tell you this morning?
If you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all.
Come on, Bentley. Get up. Try again.
Come on, get up. Come on, get up, Daddy. Get up, Tiny.
I don't know. Maybe he wasn't walking very well. Or maybe he's just learning a few steps.
Those are birds. Bird. Bird. Look, he started to talk. Bird. He's trying to say bird. Say bird. 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 Uh-oh. Bird.
Buster, did you hear that? Yeah, he said his first word. Bird. Lample said his first word.
No pedophile this time.
Yeah, I heard that, Cody. Yeah, I know. He sure did talk. Yeah, I agree with the rest. As long with his own problem, I guess.
All right, Cross, the bell means it's time to go to lunch. I'll see you in 15 minutes.
Free food! Let's go to lunch.
We have a lunchroom? We've never been to lunch before.
Yeah! I get to run to lunch like a weird kid.
I'm not hungry.